Hello everyone. Today we will discuss mammals. Mammals are three major types of living mammals. Present three major types of living mammals. First one monotremes. First one monotremes. So they are the egg-laying mammals. Monotremes, egg-laying mammals. Normally mammals are laying the childs, but monotremes, so they are laying the eggs. Next one marsupials. So they are the pouched mammals like kangaroo. So the pouched mammals. Next one eutherians. Eutherian means, so they are the true placentas. True placentas. So the present living three types of living mammals. One is the monotremes, second one marsupials, third one eutherians. So the monotremes means, so they are laying the eggs. Second one marsupials, so they are the pouched animals. So they are the pouched animals. Next one eutherians, so the eutherian means, so they are the true placenta mammals. So they are the true placenta mammals. Next one, so the mammals, smallest mammal. So the smallest mammal, bumblebee bat. So the smallest mammal, bumblebee bat. So the weight 2 grams. Only 2 grams. Bumblebee bat, the smallest mammal. The weight 2 grams. Only 2 grams. Next one, the largest mammal. So the largest mammal, Balanoptera musculus, blue whale. So the common name blue whale. So this weight 130 tons. Balanoptera musculus, common name blue whale. So this weight 130 tons. Next one, so these mammals origin from the theropsid reptiles. Mammals origin from the theropsid reptiles. From the Triassic period. The period is Triassic period time. So the mammals are origin from the theropsid reptiles. The period is Triassic period. Next one Cenozoic era. So the Cenozoic era is the age of the mammals. Cenozoic era is the age of the mammals. Next one mammalogy. Mammalogy means, so the study of mammals. Mammalogy means study of mammals. Next one general characters of mammals. Next one general characters. Next one general characters. First one body division. So the body is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. Body is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. Next one skin. The skin contain a glands. It contain glands. First one sweat glands. Second one sebaceous glands. Next one, third one scent glands. The skin contain a glands. So the sweat glands, sebaceous glands and the scent glands. So the sweat glands, first one, sweat glands. So these sweat glands, so they are functioning is the excretion and thermoregulation function. Excretion and thermoregulation function. So they are the excretion and thermoregulation. Excretion and thermoregulation function. Thermoregulation function means so maintain the body temperature. They maintain the body temperature. Next one, sebaceous glands. Sebaceous glands. So these sebaceous glands, they secretion of sebum. Secretion of sebum. Secretion of sebum. So they are associated with air molecules. Sebaceous glands is associated with hair follicles. Associated with the hair follicles. So these sebum, so the helps from the smooth of the hair, smooth of hair and skin. These sebum helps from the smooth of hair and skin. So hair is smooth and skin is smooth. So these are helps from the sebaceous glands. So they are secretion from the sebum. Next one, scent glands. Scent glands. So the scent glands presenting in every individual, every animal. So they are secretion of separate smell. Every individual, so the secretion of the separate smell. Next one, the mammals majorly presenting on the mammary glands. Mammary glands. Mammary glands. Mammary glands. So the mammary glands, sweat glands are modified to form the mammary glands. Sweat glands. Sweat glands modified to form mammary glands. Form mammary glands. Sweat glands are modified into the form mammary glands. Mammary glands. Next one, digestion. Next one, digestive system. Digestive system. Digestive system. So the digestive system, so that it contains teeth. Next one, so the palate, secondary palate. So the palate, secondary palate. Secondary palate, so the mouth is divided into posterior nasal cavity, and divided into buccal cavity. Buccal cavity. So the nasal cavity and buccal cavity, these separate from the palate. So the palate is separate from the nasal cavity and buccal cavity. Next one, it contains teeth. So the teeth are the thecodont. Teeth are the thecodont, heterodont. Next one, dipiodont. Thecodont, heterodont and dipiodont. Thecodont means, so these are embedded in the socket of the jawbone. Embedded in the socket of the jawbone. Socket of the jawbone. Next one, heterodont. Heterodont means, so they are the types of the different types of the teeth. So the hetero means different types of the teeth presenting in the mammals. So there are the 4 types: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So there are the 4 types of teeth presenting in the mammals. So they are the heterodont. Next one, dipiodont. Dipiodont means, so these are erupting twice in a life. So they are the arising twice in a life. One is the milk teeth, another one is adult teeth. arising the lifetime arising only twice. Twice in life. Twice in life. One is the milk teeth, another one is the adult teeth. Milk teeth and adult teeth. So the life in twice. Next one, the salivary glands. They contain a salivary glands. Contain salivary glands. Next one, salivary glands. Next one, salivary glands. Next one, salivary glands. Salivary glands. Mammals contain a 4 types of. It contain 4 types of salivary glands. Four types of salivary glands. 4 types of salivary glands. One is the parotid gland. Parotid gland. Second one, submaxillary gland. Submaxillary gland. Third one, submandibular gland. Submandibular gland. Fourth one, infraorbital gland. Fourth one, infraorbital gland. Infraorbital gland. So the 4 types of the salivary glands presenting in mammals. 4 types of salivary glands presenting in the mammals. Parotid glands, parotid glands, submaxillary gland, submandibular glands, and infraorbital glands. Infraorbital glands. So the human being contain only 3 types. Human contain 3 types of salivary glands. Human being contain 3 types of the salivary glands. Only these 3 types. Only these 3 types of the salivary glands: parotid glands, submaxillary gland, sublingual glands. Only these 3 types of the salivary glands presenting in the human beings. So the other mammals contain 4 types of the salivary glands: parotid gland, submaxillary gland, sublingual gland, and infraorbital glands. So they are the salivary glands. Next one, respiration. Next one, respiration. Respiration. So their respiration contain a pair of lungs. It contain a pair of lungs. It contain a pair of lungs. So their respiration is called as pulmonary respiration. Pulmonary respiration. Pulmonary respiration. Next one, lungs contain alveoli. Lungs contain alveoli. So the lungs contain alveoli. So the alveoli are the majorly exchange of the gases. So the mammals contain a pair of lungs. So the lungs contain alveoli. So this respiration is called as pulmonary respiration. This respiration is called as pulmonary respiration. Next one, circulatory system. Next one, circulatory system. Circulatory system. So the circulatory system, it contain 4 chambers heart. It contain 4 chambers heart. It contain 4 chamber. Four chamber heart. It contain 4 chamber heart. Upper 2 chambers are called atria. Upper 2 chambers are called atria. Lower two chambers are called ventricles. Lower two chambers are called ventricles. Lower two chambers are called ventricles. Upper two chambers are called atria. Lower two chambers are called ventricles. So they are the heart containing 4 chambers. So they are the right atria, right ventricle, left atria, left ventricle. So they are containing 4 chambers. Upper to atria, lower to ventricles. Lower to ventricles. Next one, it is a closed type of circulatory system. It is a closed type. Closed type of circulation. Closed type of circulatory system. Closed type of the circulatory system is present. Next one, so they are the oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood are the separated. Oxygenated and deoxygenated blood are separated. Oxygenated and deoxygenated. Blood separate. Blood separate. Oxygenated and deoxygenated bloods are the separated. Next one, it contain a double circulation. It contain double circulation. It contain double circulation. Double circulation means, so they are the sympathetic circulation, the systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation. Systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation. Systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation. Systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation. So they are the circulatory system. So the circulatory system, it contain 4 chambers. It contain 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are called atria. Lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. Upper 2 chambers are called atria. Lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. Next one, so it's a closed type of circulatory system. So the mammals, the closed type of circulatory system. Closed type of circulatory system means blood completely pass in only blood vessels. Blood complete pass only blood vessels. Next one, so the oxygenated and deoxygenated bloods are the separated. Oxygen and deoxygenated bloods are the separated. So the left side is oxygenated blood. Left side only oxygenated blood. Left side oxygenated blood. Right side deoxygenated blood. Right side deoxygenated blood. Next one, so it contains a double circulation. The mammals circulatory system is a double circulation. Double circulation means, so the one is the pulmonary circulation, another one is the systemic circulation. Pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. So they are the circulatory system in mammals. Circulatory system in mammals. Next one, excretion. Next one, excretion. Next one, excretion. So the excretion, mammals contain metanephric kidneys. Metanephric kidneys. Mammals contain metanephric kidneys. Mammals contain metanephric kidneys. So these metanephric kidneys contain nephrons. Kidneys contain nephrons. So the nephrons contain long loop of Henle. Nephrons contain long loop of Henle. Long loop of Henle. So this long loop of Henle, it is helps from the excreting of concentrated urine. Excreting of concentrated urine. So they are excreting from concentrated urine. Next one, the mammals are the ureotelic animals. Mammals are the ureotelic animals. Ureotelic animals. Ureotelic animals means, so they are excretion of urea. These are excretion of urea. So they are the mammals excretory system. So the mammals excretory system, it contain a pair of metanephric kidneys. Contain a pair of metanephric kidneys. So these metanephric kidneys, they contain a nephrons. They contain a nephrons. Nephron means So these are the nephron. So nephron contain, so they are the glomerulus. Glomerulus. So they are the PCT. PCT means proximal convoluted tubules. Next one. So they are the loop of Henle. Loop of Henle. So these are the DCT. Digital convoluted tubules. So these are the collecting duct. Collecting duct. So these are the nephrons. Kidneys contain a nephron. So these nephrons contain a long loop of Henle. So this long loop of Henle. So they are helps from the excretion of concentrated urine. Excretion of concentrated urine. So they are the concentration urine. So the mammals are the ureotelic animals. Mammals are the ureotelic animals. Ureotelic animals means so they are excretion of urea. Excretion of urea. So they are the excretory system. Next one, skeletal system.